guys, before we go installing the leveling kit, I'm just going to do a quick exterior just to show you the difference. Pretty big difference with the rake. Obviously, it's going to be something similar to the rear and the front when we get done with that 3-inch motofab leveling kit. So let's get in there and get it on. I'll throw the measuring tape at it, see if it does raise it a genuine 3 inches or not. So that's at the bottom. What's that looking at? 36 and a half on the dot, looks like. Alright guys, we're all done. I don't know what it was, if this is difficult for everyone or maybe it's because I'm still getting over the flu. This freaking kicked my butt, dude. I swear. I had the hardest time with this. I'm freaking exhausted. That's pretty hilarious. I've done many leveling kits and never had issues, but golly, man, this is freaking put a hurting on me. Does the camera look weird? Let me try to clean it off. Okay, so what were we, 36 and a half before, I believe? So let's get our measuring tape. See if I can block it. Alright, put it at the ground. Oh wow, 40 and a half. So this is, I haven't driven or anything, so it might settle just a touch from being jacked up, but this is a 3-inch leveling kit. It went from 36 and a half to 40 and a half, so that's 4 inches right there. Well, here's the leveling kit, y'all. Came out freaking sick. As you can tell, we're on the road because it's iced and deserted out here. I guess I kind of parked at a bad angle, but came out perfect. Definitely raised it up level, if not a little bit more, which is perfect. Looks great. Haven't really been able to drive it other than just driving it out here, but so far, loving it. 3-inch. Y'all let me know what you think. About to go have a little fun in the snow in the truck for the first time. So I'll see you on the next one. Alright guys, figured I'd get a little better angle for y'all. Since I was a little sideways in the road up there. As you can see, it looks so good. I was a little worried it was going to make the tires look so small that I didn't like it. I was going to instantly have to buy wheels and tires because I'm holding off on that for a little bit, but it didn't. It actually looks really good. Looks tough. Freaking pumped with it. What better way to check out your new leveling kit than romping through the snow with it. Freaking sick.
So I'd say the 3-inch motofab leveling kit does every bit of 3 inches, if not more. Now let me know what you think. See y'all next one.